Hey folks, Al here. I wanted to show you my canaries. These are all males and females. In the off season, they are getting into condition to start breeding. I usually pay special attention to their diet, to their food, to their health. I give egg food, greens, seed sprouts, because in my opinion this is the most important period before the breeding season. Alright, I think I have some nice colors here. I have white, dominant white in the back there. I have variegated. I have yellows. I have also orange, non-intensive orange canary. I do not feed coloring food to them, so that is all their natural color. By the way, most of these canaries are siblings. I treated them today with ivermectin, which is a medication for parasites, just to make sure or to kill off any mites that there might be, because it's cold now and mites usually go into hibernation in the cold weather. They do not go out and feed as much. So I treated them with the last dose of ivermectin for the season, because I usually give them the last dose 1 month before they start breeding.